Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Vijaya Choudhary. I am a research scholar for AcSIR National Physical Laboratory, New Delhi, India. Namaste. Today's topic for presentation is automatic classification of cowpea leaves using deep convolutional neural network. As we all knows that artificial intelligence is bloom, and this is the technique which is used for automation in all the sectors like agriculture, health sector, home automation. Almost all the sectors are going to use artificial intelligence and robotics in order to save the people's time, in order to save the cost. So today's objective for this presentation is agriculture is the primary source of livelihood for about 58% of India's population. If we talk about the world population, it is still important because food is important for each livelihood loads. But as compared to the, if we talk about consumption, as compared to consumption, the production of the agricultural crops and all are less. So we need to implement the automation in order to increase the productivity, so that it could be fulfill the healthy lifestyle of all the human beings. So development of automatic neural network based models have been introduced in this work. Identifying cowpea leaves has been introduced because this work is basically to identify or differentiate from wheat plant to cowpea plants. Wheat plant, we can say, is an irrelevant plant which is unnecessary growing along with the irrelevant plant, which is also the cause of low growth of the relevant plants. In order to differentiate both the relevant and unrelevant plants, so that in later agronomist could remove the irrelevant plant, so that relevant plant, or we can say the cowpea plant, will grow as per their requirement. So in order to so here to removing irrelevant plant, there are many techniques which has been used by agronomists or farmers since long time. One of the chemical is known as herbicides, which is used to kill the weed plant in order to remove the weed plant from the relevant one. But sometimes not even sometimes, most of the time, these herbicides chemical is very harmful for human health, as well as for for environment. So to reduce such harmful chemicals, we need to use the automation technique. First, it will differentiate relevant and irrelevant plants, and then using some instrument or using some more high technology, it could be removed from the agricultural land in order to increase the productivity, so that we world can fulfill the nutritional crop or food to the entire world. So this is the overview of my work. I have collected cowpea leaves from ICER research firm, which is located in India, Pusa campus, New Delhi. I have taken two kind of leaves, cowpea leaves as well as weed leaves, and then I have make a class of two types of class, like training dataset and testing dataset. For in training, around 12,000 cowpea leaves has been used for train the model, so that when it will come to the testing part or prediction part, all kind of leaves model will be introduced with all kinds of leaves. And after testing the dataset, testing for training the dataset, I have been used latest convolutional neural network, different algorithms, and transfer learning technique as well. After that that train model got test, and then it was implemented on testing dataset as well. And as we can see that there are two categories only. So this is binary classification, we can say. And the zero, when it will come zero, that means it is showing copy leaves. When the result is the one, it is showing wheat lips. Now, if we come to the experimental procedure, so material, I have collected data in the form of images, all these using standard DSLR camera. 12,000 data has been collected for training purpose, and 250 images around for test the model. The images which have been captured, saved in different size and form, you can say, in a pixel with the JPG format. Now this have a look of the input data sample which have been already collected, and these input data is already pre-processed data. This is the small look of data collection. This is the copy or object, we can say. So I have used DSLR standard digital camera, and using this camera I have collected all 12,000 plus 250 14,000-15,000 data from the ICR New Delhi, India, Pusa campus. After collection of the data and pre-processing of all such data using image processing techniques, I have been explored all the dataset on the like open source repository known as GitHub with the name researcher Vijaya. So when if we click on this link, it will automatically go to the GitHub link. So if we talk about the experimental results, I have been used 4 or 5 models from the CNN family, and I got loss results and accuracy. So I have used a mobile net 1-to-1 algorithm. Then inception v3 I have been also used, VGG16 I have been used, ResNet I have been used. 4 or 5 algorithms from a convolutional neural network family have been used, train the model, test the model. And if we compare all 4 or 5 algorithms, then which inception v3 is giving the good accuracy around 86.77 accuracy this model is giving. And for a small set of data, for when I implemented the on large set of data, then DenseNet was giving the good result. And the performance of DenseNet was quite good. So if we come to the conclusion and future work, so identifying cowpea leaves from the wheat plants, wheat leaves in order to increase the productivity, and if different architecture to explore image features of model, hoping real implementation of automation in agriculture sector will help the agronomists to save their time and increase the productivity. Model can help agro researchers, as we discussed, to differentiate with the relevant plant from its wheat plant. This model is useful for overcome the manual based recognition of cowpea leaves from other, which is very much time consuming and cost effective. So these all were about my work presentation. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to be part of the best researcher award category, and I really appreciate my supervisor, Dr. Parumita Guha, my corresponding author, Dr. Paul sir, and I really appreciate all my seniors and all my scientists, all professors to motivate me and to encourage me to do this work. And thank you so much AI and robotics platform for giving me this great opportunity and honoring me such a great award. Thank you so much. Thank you.